If you want to take a partial screenshot on Xiaomi 17, then we can use the 3-finger gesture. If you press and hold 3 fingers anywhere on the screen, you should be able to activate the capture of a partial screen. So in this case, we can select the area that we want to capture. Even if you select it, you can still readjust the area if needed. We can also start over. We can share the selected screenshot. We can tap on edit in order to customize our screenshot, or just save it once you are done with the partial screenshot. And there we go. And in addition to that, of course, this gesture can be deactivated on your phone. So if it doesn't work for you, you just want to open settings, scroll down to additional settings, and then in here you want to go to gesture shortcuts and make sure that in partial screenshot this option is enabled, this press and hold with 3 fingers. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.